everyone, welcome to this brand new class with me, your host Shilpa Lalit, where we are going to learn how to paint not one but two absolutely beautiful paintings from start to finish. One of these paintings is this beautiful blue and white roses that we'll be painting, and the second painting is this gorgeous girl with a lot of attitude and her eyes completely covered with rose flowers, and I named this painting Be Wild, Be Free. More about this painting later, but first let's see what you will gain from this class. In this class, my intention was to make you learn how to paint these absolutely beautiful roses and to make you understand the basics of how we are painting these roses, because we are not really drawing the drawing while we are painting these roses. We are just capturing these beautiful roses through the placement of colors in such a way that these are created on this canvas. So with our very first painting, we will get started by learning how to paint these roses step by step, and we will understand the concept that makes painting these roses so much more easier, because I don't want you to just be able to paint the roses in the colors that I am sharing with you. I want you to be able to paint these roses with just any colors of your choice. So that's why understanding the basics of how we are painting these roses, what kind of technique we are using, that understanding is very important, so that you can just take away that technique and play around to create your own roses that you might like. And then only after you're done with this painting, we will move on to learning the second painting. Now in the second painting, as I told you earlier, we are going to be painting this absolutely gorgeous girl. And in this painting as well, I will take you through the complete process step by step till we reach in the end where we are adding the roses, and that as well I will use completely different colors from what I used in the first painting for the roses, and that will make you understand even better that how I am capturing or how I am creating those roses on the canvas. So that is going to be the entire flow of the class, and if you are working on this class, I highly recommend that go step by step. Don't jump directly to the second painting, because you know what, the second painting, ever since I've shared it in Instagram, I have had the most requests for it to release it as a class. So finally I decided to do that, but I highly recommend that don't just jump onto creating the second painting, that is the girl. Just go step by step, where you first paint the first painting and only then step by step you move ahead on the second painting and then complete the second painting. And trust me, I have poured my heart into this class, and you are really gonna learn a lot through the entire process of both the paintings. And if you have any questions, if you have anything that you want to show me, your work in progress shots, your final painting or anything, I am always more than happy to answer your questions and help you out. So feel free to catch me anytime. And with that being said, without taking any more of your time, let's get started with this class.